Hi, my name is David Adiboro. I'm an intern student at Rewod Technologies. This is the second week in the third month of my internship program on ethical hacking. I'm sure you're busy wondering what ethical hacking really means. Put simply, ethical hacking is the process of finding potential vulnerabilities in a system and looking for ways to protect the system from unauthorized use of access. During the course of this program, I was able to identify and understand some key aspects of ethical hacking, which include Nmap. Nmap is simply network mapping. Imagine I'm a hacker and I found my targets. I'm not going to simply just attack the targets. First, I need to understand the weak points of the target. For example, the vulnerabilities present in the target or information about the operating system of that target. This is where Nmap comes in. Next, phishing attack. Imagine I found my target, but I decide to be sneaky. I can decide to send my target a malicious link disguise. What do I mean? I can decide to send my target a fake cloned Google link claiming that their account has been hacked, not knowing that if they make use of this link, it grants me access to their credentials. This is how phishing attack works. Now let's talk about MITM attacks, also known as man-in-the-middle attacks. In a scenario where I'm the hacker and of course you're the victim, provided that we're connected to the same internet and you're making use of an unsecure site, I can perform a session hijack using Ethercap to intercept the network, granting me access to your credentials like your login info, credit card details, and so on and so forth. I'm able to cover all this and more, and my internship program is not yet over. I would highly recommend Rewod Technologies if you're looking to build a career in tech and don't know where to start. I've had a really insightful, expository, and exciting 2 months and 2 weeks. Oh, and if you want to prevent these attacks I mentioned, you can reach out to Rewod Technologies.